How do we use order book check? Order book check allows us to scan through the order book and create triggers based on multiple parameters related to the order book. To begin, we select the order book check from the list of triggers. When we click on the Edit button, we can see the check type, which allows us to check the order book. We can view the number of pending orders, the number of rejected orders, the number of cancelled orders, or the number of executed orders as the parameters of comparison. For example, we want to check if the number of pending orders is greater than 20 for the account. In the same way, we can select the number of cancelled orders to be greater than any value. Similarly, we can use an order book check with conditions to create a combined trigger. For example, we can use a combination of two order book checks to ensure the number of executed orders is greater than 10, and at the same time, the number of pending orders is equal to 0. Now, the trigger will activate only if both conditions are true. That is how order book check works. Let's recap. Order book check scans the order book to create triggers based on parameters like pending, executed, cancelled, or rejected orders. Multiple checks can be combined, and the trigger activates only when all defined conditions are met. Got questions on order book check? Comment below or ask us in the FYERS community. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.